Hi guys, so today we'll be exploring the AWS flagship service that is the SageMaker Studio. Amazon SageMaker AI is a fully managed machine learning service. With SageMaker, data scientists and developers can quickly build and train machine learning models and then directly deploy them into a production ready hosted environment. So we'll just take a quick tour. This is showing us the SageMaker features like find SageMaker resources, scrollings in the left navigation panel. Just click on next. Now these are for launch and use applications. This is I think navigate to the Studio Classic, find you way back, and then this is for verify feedback. So I just close this now and let's just go to the jumpstart. In this jumpstart we can find that there are various types of models which is available for us to use in SageMaker Studio. Uh, Models from providers such as OpenAI, Meta, DeepSeek, and Hugging Face, AWS Bedrock, IBM, TensorFlow, and all kind of service providers are available. I think these are one of the top providers as of now. So we do have So let's go to the running instance to see if do we have any running instances. As of now, we don't have any running instances. Let's just click on Jupyter Lab and we'll start our environment by clicking on the run. This usually takes some time, so I will just pause the video. So our Jupyter environment lab is set up and it's up and running. So let's just open the environment of Jupyter Lab. Mm. This Jupyter Lab environment is same as where we get in all other Jupyter Lab user interfaces. We'll check out this notebook that is Introduction to Generative AI. For this, we'll select the Python 3 kernel and let's wait till it gets prepared. So this is just a sample notebook of generative AI. In this notebook, we will be deploying our model at a private endpoint. So the model which we are using in this notebook is Adin Face LLM Falcon 7B Instruct BF16. So let's just click on the run button. Uh, you can also click Shift plus Enter so that this cell will start running. So this code is just to deploy the model in Amazon SageMaker inference endpoint. We can also check our endpoints by clicking on this Amazon SageMaker Studio. Uh, Under deployments, we'll find the option as an endpoints. If we click on this endpoints, we will see that this endpoint is being created through our Jupyter Lab notebook. This creation of endpoints also takes some few minutes, usually from 5 to 6 minutes. So as you can see that our endpoint is in service now. So we'll just go to our lab and we will see whether we are able to test our endpoint. So I'll just run this cell by pressing Shift plus Enter. And now we can see that the prompt which we have passed to our model was telling me about Amazon SageMaker. And it has given us response that Amazon SageMaker is a cloud-based machine learning platform provided by Amazon Web Services. It enables users to train and deploy machine learning models without needing to manage infrastructure or hardware. It also shows us the time which it took. So for now, it took us 14.8 milliseconds. So that's quite a fast time. We'll also run this cell to test our use cases. So the thing which we're testing is, let's define a function to query the endpoints. So we'll simply run this cell, and then what we'll do is we'll ask a LLM model to write a program to compute factorial in Python. So let's see what it gives. So it has generated us a Python program to compute factorial in Python. So this is the function that is factorial, which takes an as an input. Inside this, it has conditions if and else condition. So I think it has given us a nice program. Let's test some other scenario. For this, we will be test sentence completion. Building website can be done in 10 simple steps. So let's run this cell. It has completed. It has given us a list of 10 simple steps. The first one is choose a domain name, then register a domain name, choose a web hosting provider. I think it has given us some nice simple steps. Now let's check for translation. Now we'll be using like translating English to France. So let's run this cell. So for the input which we will be are passing is C otter. C otter is loud trade the need. Okay, I'm not so much good at French, so I was skipping to the last thing which the Elena has to answer. That was cheese. The output which it has given was fromage. We can simply check whether that output is correct or not. So what we can do is we will just go to Google and we'll check what is the French translation for cheese. French translation. Oh, sorry. Translation for cheese. So yeah, the translation is fromage, and I think our model has given us the correct answer. Let's also check for sentiment analysis, whether the sentiment analysis done by LLM is correct or not. So I will directly check the one which you are passing to Lela. This music video was incredible. So I think this is a positive sentence. You can also say we are saying that the music video was incredible. So it's obviously a positive sentence, and the sentiment it has also given was positive. Now let's also test for the question and answering part. So run this cell. And our question was, could you remind me when was the C programming language invented? And it again gave us the correct answer. C programming language was invented in 1972 by Dennis Switch and Bell Labs. Well, he'll also ask LLM model for a delicious lemon cheesecake recipe. So let's go. I think it is taking a quite amount of time to generate a recipe for a delicious lemon cheesecake. Yeah, so we have the answer. It has given us the list of ingredients, that is half cup of graham cracker crumbs, 4 tablespoon butter that is melted, 2 eggs, half a cup of heavy cream. And yeah, you can. I will not be preparing this recipe as of now. Maybe you can prepare this recipe, and after baking the cheesecake, just let me know whether the recipe which our model has given is correct and whether the cheesecake was really delicious or not. Maybe you can let me know it in comment section. I will not be baking the cheesecake for now. Let's go to another checklist, that is text summarization. We will simply run our text summarization. And I think the summarization is of Amazon SageMaker paragraph. It is saying in Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed machine learning service. With SageMaker, data scientists and developer can quickly and easily build and train machine learning models and then directly deploy them into production-ready hosted environment. It provides an integrated Jupyter authoring notebook instance for easy access to your data source for exploration and analysis. So you don't have to manage servers. It also provides common machine learning algorithms that are optimized to run efficiently against extremely large data in a restricted environment. With native support for bringing your own algorithms or framework, SageMaker offers flexible distributed training options that adjust to your specific workflow. Deploy a model into a secure and scalable environment by launching it with few clicks from SageMaker Studio or SageMaker Console. So we are asked this to summarize the article to a model, and I think it has summarized quite well. The summarization is below here. If you can see, SageMaker is a cloud-based machine learning platform that provides a range of tools and services where data scientists and developers build, train, and deploy machine learning models. It offers an integrated Jupyter notebook environment, optimized algorithm, and flexible distributed training options. So yeah, this is all about our SageMaker Studio and introduction to SageMaker Studio. Please let me know what do you think about this AWS new service for implementing AI, that is SageMaker Studio. Please like this video and comment and let me know how do you like the video and what you would like for me to explore further in this series of AWS AI videos. So thank you.